Excel beginners, this one's for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your skills, this video will guide you through the basics of Excel. By the end of this session, you'll be well on your way to mastering some of the most essential functions that Excel has to offer. Ready to become a spreadsheet superstar? Excel might seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, you'll be navigating it like a pro. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of this powerful tool. First, let's open Excel and create a new worksheet. If you don't have Excel installed, you can use Excel Online, which is free with a Microsoft account. Once you have it open, you'll see a blank grid of cells. This is your canvas where all the magic happens. See the ribbon at the top? That's where you'll find all your tools. The ribbon is divided into tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and more. Each tab contains groups of related commands. For example, the Home tab has commands for formatting, alignment, and number styles. Cells, rows, columns, these are your playground. Each cell can hold data, whether it's text, numbers, or formulas. Rows are horizontal lines of cells and columns are vertical. You can navigate through them using your arrow keys or by clicking with your mouse. Now let's jump into the essential functions. Starting with sum. The sum function is one of the most commonly used functions in Excel. It allows you to add up a range of numbers quickly and easily. Need to add up a bunch of numbers? Type =sum, select your range, and bam, instant total. For example, if you want to add the numbers in cells A1 to A5, you would type =sum A1, A5. Press enter and Excel will calculate the total for you. Next, the average function. Want to know the average score of your tests? Type =average, pick your range, and there you go. Easy peasy. The average function works similarly to sum, but instead of adding the numbers, it calculates their average. For example, =average, A1 of 5, will give you the average of the numbers in cells A1 to A5. Ever wondered about the smallest or largest values? Excel has functions for that too. The min and max functions are perfect for finding the smallest and largest values in a range of cells. Use min and max. The min function finds the smallest value and the max function finds the largest. For example, =min, a 1 of 5, will return the smallest number in the range A1 to A5, and =max, A1, A5, will return the largest. So type =min for the smallest and =max for the largest. No more guessing. Counting cells with numbers, the count function is your friend. Use the count function. The count function counts the number of cells that contain numbers in a range. It's useful for quickly determining how many entries you have. Type =count, select your range, and it does the counting for you. Simple, right? For example, =count, A1 of 5, will count the number of cells in the range A1 to A5 that contain numbers. And now the if function for basic conditional statements. The if function is incredibly powerful and allows you to make decisions based on conditions. It's like having a mini decision maker inside your spreadsheet. If you need to check if a number is greater than 50, type equal. Sign if, a 150, yes, no. The if function checks whether a condition is true or false, and returns one value if true and another if false. In this case, if the value in cell A1 is greater than 50, it will return yes. Otherwise, it will return no. Excel will do the thinking for you. On to formatting tips. Formatting your data makes it easier to read and understand. You can change the font size, add cell colors, and apply borders to make your data stand out. Change font size, add cell colors and borders to make your data pop. You can find these options in the Home tab under the font and alignment groups. Experiment with different styles to see what works best for your data. Sorting and filtering your data. Sorting and filtering are essential for managing large data sets. Sorting arranges your data in a specific order, while filtering allows you to display only the data that meets certain criteria. A breeze with Excel's tools. You can sort data alphabetically, numerically, or by date. Filtering lets you focus on specific information, such as all entries from a particular month or all sales above a certain amount. We've covered sum, average, min, max, count, and if functions. These are the building blocks of Excel and will help you perform a wide range of tasks. With these functions, you can analyze data, make calculations, and gain insights quickly and efficiently. Plus some cool formatting tricks. Formatting is not just about making your spreadsheet look good, it's also about making it functional and easy to read. Use conditional formatting to highlight important data and apply cell styles to maintain consistency. Practice makes perfect, so give these a try. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with Excel. Try creating your own spreadsheets and using these functions to see how they work in real-life scenarios. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Your support helps us create more content to help you master Excel and other tools. Share your thoughts and let us know what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Stay tuned for our next video on advanced Excel tricks. See you soon. In our next video, we'll dive into more advanced functions and techniques such as lookup, pivot tables, and data visualization. Don't miss it.